Hello guys, my name is Huanjia Liu and my project for CS345 is Neural Network Race Games. Actually, it's a demo built by Unity 3D using the neural network and genetic algorithms and to make the car learn how to play this race game by itself. I will spread that into three parts: the Unity 3D's neural network and the genetic algorithms. Because we only have 3 minutes, so I will go through that quickly. Here is the Unity sense I have created, including the race track. Here, the car need to follow this race track. The car here and the room teams. These room teams only return the distance progress the car has finished. It won't affect the car's condition, so don't worry about that. Then is the neural network part, because I found the C# couldn't call the Python's NumPy package, so I have to write a neural network by my own. Here I create a class called neurals, and including three informations: the weight arrays, the bias, the values. The bias is the bias you think about, and the weight array including all the weight informations between these neural to the last layers. Here, for example, these neurals, the weight array store all the weight informations, all these three weight informations, and the values is equal to the sigma's weight times the value. The value is the value in these three neurals, and finally plus the bias. Then if we combine these neurals together, we could get a neural network. And for example, here I create a neural network have 3 layers which have 5 input and 2 outputs. 2 outputs is the direction and the speed of our car, and the 5 layers is the sensors in my car. For example, here, delete the game, run the games. Oh, again. For example, these cars, you can see the 5 red lamps, and these 5 red lamps is the distance sensors, and all these 5 sensor information will be ported in our neural network. And then finally is the genetic algorithm. Genetic algorithm is actually like the Darwin series, and we can see from our demo. Yeah, in each training we could find the best performance one, like this one. This car is the best performance because it's it's finished the longest distance. And in the second training we will inherited all the neural network information from this car, and I also add a room to I also set a room that all the car have 8% chance of changing the neural network information. For example, the weight, the bias, and that means in the next training, there are 100 car, and the 100 car have 100 neural network informations, and all these 100 neural network information is similar to the best performance car. As for example, it's a new change here, and this car can finish the curve here. No, it works well. It works pretty well. It's only 4 trains, and the car can already finish half of the room teams. Because of the time limited and the genetic algorithm need a long time to train, so I have to use the best performance records like yesterday, like here. In yesterday's training, luckily it only used 4 iterations to finish all the games. This is the first iterations. The car run to this curve and it stop. And the next one, the second, is learn how to go through this curve. And the third one. And the fourth one. Oh, that works very good. That works unbelievable. Yeah. That's all the presentations I have. That's all the presentations. Thank you for watching.